Hi everyone, this is Arfath Gamer. I joined Meta Trading Club on the MTC Incubator 7, which was in November. So since then, my trading has improved a lot. I did not know how to set the support and resistance levels. I did not know the pattern work and things like that. And now I know where my support and resistance is, and I know when to enter the trade, and most importantly when not to enter trade. So and every time I take a trade, I put it in the community. We have a great community. It's on the Discord. So if we have any questions or we need any help, we just post it there, and Shahriar or any of the team members, they're always there to help. And I always go back to Shahriar asking, okay, I took this trade and this was my intention, and he always gives the feedback if it was correct or not. So it has been a great journey with MTC Incubator, and I completed the MTC Incubator course in November, or in the first week of December, and it's been more than 2 months, but I still Shahriar is still in touch with us, following up with us, asking how the trading is going, and asking for and we ask him for feedback about how our trades were, or if we get stuck somewhere, he's always there to help. So I can also show the trades I take. So this was one of my trade on Nvidia. So I could put the pattern here. I could see the pattern breakout. This was my entry and this was my exit. So this is the kind of high level setup now I can get into and start get into trades and have profitable trades. This is how high quality setups we get into. So Shahriar has been really helpful, and the community is the greatest. I mean, it's a very wonderful community. We celebrate each other's wins, and nobody requires signals here. And the best thing is nobody gets signal. Everybody's independent trader in this community, and it is one of the best thing. He makes you become an independent trader so that you can have your own setup and you can take the trades confidently. So I highly recommend Shahriar and the MTC Incubator. It is really helpful, and Shahriar is the best coach I can say. Thank you all.